Hello, my name is Richard C. Wilson. I'm coming to you from Sedona, Arizona. You can see the canyon wall behind me here. Had a little snow last night. I want to create a short video on creating your own unique game as a family office or by running your own family office. What I found by helping start over 200 family offices and running our investor club the last 15 years is that if you don't design your own game board, somebody else will put you on theirs and they're going to collect $200 from you every time you pass go. They're going to keep score in a way that helps them win the game with you just being a pawn on their board. What you really need to do is play a unique game that plays to your strengths, how you created your wealth, what your family or what you are good at, what's unique to your DNA, what are you passionate about, what's your unique edge in the marketplace, what's your biggest strength, where is there little competition but inevitable growing demand, and where do you get the most ROI of fun, return on your money, and positive energy in your world, and design your own unique game based on that. We help families design their own unique game boards and game plans for their life and their portfolios. We do not do traditional wealth management. We know a couple of the top advisors. I had a meeting with 1,000 plus of them in person the last 15 years, and we'll help you get into place accounting, bookkeeping. We'll help you get into place a family office quality insurance advisor. We'll help you get into place tax planning, offshore trust planning if you need to. We'll help you groom the next generation. And most importantly, it'll help you identify the objectives and goals. So everything you do and the game board you design is based on who you are and where you want to go. Where we're strongest at is designing your direct investment strategy, figuring out what your strike zone or buy box should be there, and then figuring out how do we double, triple, or 10 times the quality deal flow you get within the buy box that we helped you design. We do all of that for free because we know if we build a great relationship with you, there's no way we're not going to do business. If you come and meet our 25-person team at our quarterly 1,000 plus person investor club summits, and you see the value we can add to you by completing our one-page kind of cheat sheet family office dashboard PDF document, then you're going to see all the ways we could add value. We'll have a lot of fun in working together. If you want to reach out, my name is Richard C. Wilson. I run the Family Office Club. My email is richard@investorclub.com, or you can also send me a text message at 305-333-1155, and let's get started on designing your own unique family office game today. Take care.